Everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Rave mini wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case your speaker is not working for some reason, whether it's not connecting to your phone or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth or it keeps disconnecting. Any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now if you decide to buy a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and I recommend. But the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you want to delete all of the pairing history off the speaker and settings so you can set this up like it's a brand new speaker. It's really easy to do. So all we need to do is turn the speaker on and then we're just going to find the Bluetooth button here and the volume up button here. And we're just going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, that will cause this speaker to reset to its factory default settings, at which point we can just go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box.